welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to embark on a culinary journey of colors and flavors. We're throwing a delectable pizza party that's sure to dazzle your taste buds. On the menu, we've got a vibrant thin crust pizza, smothered with a rainbow of toppings. To accompany our star dish, we're cooking up some sweet and tangy honey barbecue wings and a refreshingly cool strawberry lemonade. So, grab your aprons and get ready to cook. Let's kick things off with our rainbow thin crust pizza. Today's culinary adventure takes us through a journey of colors and flavors, all united by the versatile foundation of a pre-made thin pizza crust. This is where our culinary canvas begins. On this crust, we'll be painting a vibrant picture using an array of ingredients. A little bit of green and yellow peppers add a pop of color and a crunch that complements the softness of the crust. Pineapple chunks, a controversial yet delightful topping for some, infuse a touch of tropical sweetness into our creation. Sliced mushrooms contribute a bit of earthiness, grounding our pizza with their unique flavor profile. Now let's not forget about the olives. Black and green olives bring a slight tang and a hint of saltiness, perfect for balancing out the sweetness of the pineapple. And finally, banana peppers. These bright yellow toppings add a bit of heat to our pizza, making every bite a thrilling experience. Of course, no pizza would be complete without its sauce and cheese. Your favorite pizza sauce, whether it's a classic tomato, a zesty barbecue, or a creamy Alfredo, forms the base layer of our colorful masterpiece. And the cheese, oh, the cheese. It's the glue that holds everything together, melting into a delightful blanket that envelops our toppings. But here's where the magic happens. After spreading the sauce evenly on our crust, we sprinkle our canvas with a generous layer of cheese. This will become the molten sea where our toppings will float, their flavors mingling and merging to create something truly unique. And now, for the fun part, arranging our toppings. This is where your creativity truly shines. You can create patterns, mix and match colors, or just scatter everything randomly. The most important thing is to have fun with it. Remember, the more colors, the better. Once our pizza is fully assembled, covered in a rainbow of flavors, it's time for the final step. Into the oven it goes. As the heat works its magic, the cheese will start to bubble and melt, the crust will become perfectly crispy, and all our toppings will bake to perfection. And just like that, with a bit of creativity and a whole lot of love, we've transformed simple ingredients into a rainbow thin crust pizza. But don't go anywhere just yet. We're not done with our culinary journey. There's more deliciousness to come. While our pizza bakes, let's prepare our honey barbecue wings. Now, these aren't just any wings. They're a sweet, smoky, and simply irresistible accompaniment to our vibrant thin crust pizza. To begin, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need chicken wings, your barbecue sauce of choice, and a bit of honey. The combination of barbecue sauce and honey gives these wings a balanced flavor profile that's both tangy and sweet. Now, if you're wondering about the quantity, it's all about personal preference. If you like your wings super saucy, go heavy on the barbecue sauce. If you prefer a subtle sweetness, add more honey. But remember, balance is key. You don't want one flavor overpowering the other. Once you've mixed your barbecue sauce and honey, it's time to coat the wings. Make sure each wing is generously covered in the sauce. This is where all the flavor is going to come from, so don't be shy. Every nook and cranny of the wing should be bathed in that delicious sauce. Now, while those wings are getting saucy, let's move on to the celery sticks. Fresh, crunchy celery is a classic accompaniment to wings, providing a refreshing contrast to the rich, smoky flavor. To prepare, simply wash your celery stalks, then slice them into sticks about 4 inches long. Easy, right? Back to our wings. Once they're fully coated in the sauce, it's time for them to hit the oven. You'll want to bake them until they're crispy and beautifully caramelized. The honey in the sauce will help achieve that irresistible caramelization, adding a layer of complexity to the flavor. And there you have it. Honey barbecue wings and fresh, crunchy celery sticks, ready to be enjoyed alongside our colorful pizza. The combination of sweet and smoky wings, refreshing celery, and vibrant pizza creates a flavor party that's sure to delight your taste buds. Remember, cooking isn't just about following a recipe, it's about making it your own. So feel free to play around with the flavors and make these wings your own. Now let's bake them until they're crispy and caramelized. No pizza party is complete without a cool drink. Let's whip up a quick, refreshing strawberry lemonade to quench our thirst. Ah, the joy of fresh strawberries. They are the star of our drink, providing a sweet, fruity twist to the classic lemonade. You'll need a handful of ripe strawberries, the juice of 2 large lemons, a spoonful of sugar, and a glass of water. Blend the strawberries until they're a smooth puree. To this, add your lemon juice and sugar. Give it a quick blend to mix everything together. Now pour this mixture into a jug, add your water, and give it a good stir. The trick is to balance the tartness of the lemons with the sweetness of the strawberries and sugar. Taste your lemonade and adjust the flavor as needed. Finally, pour your strawberry lemonade over a glass filled with ice. Ah, the perfect touch of chill. Serve it over ice to keep cool. Everything's ready. Let's get this party started. Feast your senses on the symphony of colors, textures, and aromas we've prepared. The centerpiece of our spread is this vibrant thin-crust pizza. Its crust perfectly crisp, and its toppings a rainbow of flavors. Then we have the honey barbecue wings, sticky, smoky, and glistening with their sweet and savory glaze. And of course, we can't forget our icy strawberry lemonade, its rosy hue promising a refreshing burst of tart sweetness. Now for the moment of truth. First up, the pizza. The crunch of the thin crust, the tanginess of the sauce, the gooey cheese, and the medley of colorful toppings. Each bite is a surprise. The peppers lend a bit of heat, the olives offer a salty bite, the mushrooms add an earthy note, and the pineapple brings a burst of sweetness. It's a party on your palate. Next, the wings. They're crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The honey barbecue glaze is a beautiful balance of smoky, sweet, and tangy. And let's not forget the celery sticks. They add a nice crunch and a refreshing contrast to the rich wings. Finally, a sip of the strawberry lemonade. The sweetness of the strawberries, the tartness of the lemon, and the hint of sugar, it's like summer in a sip. It's the perfect palate cleanser, cutting through the richness of the pizza and wings and leaving you ready for the next bite. The combination of these dishes is truly a celebration of flavors. The sweet and savory elements of the pizza play off the smoky wings, and the tart sweetness of the lemonade ties it all together. It's a feast that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. You guys have to try this at home. Thanks for watching today's ultimate pizza party. We've had a blast cooking up a storm together. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell. I'd love to see your own take on this vibrant pizza party, so don't hesitate to share your creations in the comments section. Remember, every kitchen adventure adds a dash of joy to life. Until next time, keep cooking and stay happy.